Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for 27 and 28 August. So let's begin. We have currently seen an economic event being released. One, GDP was the positive and the initial job loss claim was the negative. Thus the momentum in the market entering would be bearish and bullish both. So we can spot this strong resistance zone, and this would be a support zone or a strong support zone. Now here what we can analyze is that some around after 2 to 3 hours we are having Powell speak, or the Fed chairman speak, in which he would be telling us about more whether the economy would be boosted by more stimulus packages or any changes in the rate cut. Thus, that would be a very crucial speech, and that can create a movement in the gold from some around 50 to 100 points in a single day. So, we would be very careful while trading this news, and we wouldn't be taking any position until we see the Powell speaks. Now, going on where we should go for an long and where we should go on for an short. So let me first highlight this resistance zone. This was the resistance trend line which we have drawn. However, we have seen a breakthrough which we have given in signal. If we see a breakthrough this support trend line, we can go for a long position. Now we are currently on a 4-hourly chart. Now the support and the resistance zone is, the resistance zone start from some around 1960 till some around 1953, and the support zone start from some around 1914 till some around 1908. So we would wait for the Powell speak, and if the market retested this area and we see and break through this area, or a closing of an 4-hourly candle above the area of 1960, this would indicate that the Powell has speaked in the favor of gold, and we can see and further appreciation in the prices for the gold. So we would be entering, or being an aggressive trader for this event, we would direct enter for a long position if we see a close of 4-hourly candle above 1960 in a range of some around 1960 till 1970. That would be a great signal to go long, and we would be triggering our long positions as we see that the market. As we see that the market just closed above 1966, that would be a great opportunity to go long, with our stop losses would be just placed below the support trend line, some around 1950 till some around 1945, with our take profit of some around 1992 till 2000. If we did see that the Powell give any clues in favor of gold, we can expect a move of some around 50 to 100 points. So a long position would be created if we see a breakthrough this resistance trend line. Now coming on the sale position, or if we see a bearish momentum entering in the market, that would be this, would be the support trend line. So let me make that an end zone so we do not caught up any fake breakouts. Now if we see that the market did close below this support trend line, which I have highlighted in red color, if we see a close of a 4-hourly candle below this support trend line, thus we would be waiting for the market to retest towards this support trend line trending into a resistance, and that would be a great opportunity to go for a short position for the gold. Some around 1929 with our stop loss just placed above the support trend line, some around 1950 with our take profit of first take profit of this support zone some around 1913, and our second take profit would be some around 1893. However, I am less optimistic for the gold being or seeing bearish momentum. However, we can see that the as Powell in his speech can say that the interest rate could be remain low for in quite a longer time period for a year or so. That would be a great catalyst for the market for the gold to boost. So keep in mind we would only take long or short position if we long position if we see and break through this resistance zone or a closing of a 4 hourly candle some around 1960 till 1965, or if we will only go for a short position if we see a closing of an 4 hourly candle below this support trend line some around 1925 till 1920. Take profit stop loss are shown, until the speech we could consider that the market would be trading within an no direction range or in consolidation mode. If you like the video and if you're new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.